Hello everyone, welcome to J Cipra. So today we're going to tackle how we can use the database we are selling. So first, you need to install the Guitar Songs application and you can find it here on Play Store. As for me, I already installed it, so let's open it. And as you can see, it's all on default settings. You can also see that its set list is empty. So you still need to manually find the songs that you want, the lyrics and chords. Let's take Radical Love for example. It's a Christian song by Victory Worship. It's actually one of my favorite Christian song. As you can see, it doesn't have the full arrangement of the song and it's in key of G. Its original key is in key of F sharp. So you still need to transpose it, and it includes both chords and lyrics. So it may confuse musicians if they are not singing at the same time. So how does our database help? I have a tip first. You can set the theme of the Guitar Songs application. Like if you want black theme, you can set it on black. And if you want other colors like white, you can also set it. But I prefer to use the black theme because it is good for the eyes and it is what I like aesthetically. So as you can see again, the set list is empty. So we are now going to import the database. So here on my device, it is stored in the GSTB folder. So these two files are just the same, so I will use the GSTB one. And look, the restoration is completed successfully. So the set list has now set list. So it contains my Cipra, the Christian songs, the pop. It contains secular songs and Christian songs. Let's look at Radical Love again, for example. Look, I have the full arrangement of the song. I also put the original key, and if you have to transpose it because the singer is male, for example, it is noted on the top of the chord sheet. So here, it's only chords. So this is really for the musician only. So you can focus on the chords. And it is transposable. Like if you want to change the key to male key, you can transpose it. And it will be on key of A. The default key is F sharp, so it starts on D sharp minor. Then if you want to transpose it to male key, you can easily transpose it by doing this. And it is also editable. You can edit any part of the chord sheet if you want. And as for beginners, you can see the chord diagram. It's given for the application. The application shows the chords if you're still a beginner guitar player. So this database includes all this. You can see the choral introit, Christian songs. Look how many Cipra I have in this database. So I stored it for many years. I made this database for many years, so that's why its cost is like that. The price of my database is 500 pesos. I will also list the full collection list in my FB page, JCPRA, so you can visit my FB page. I will also include the link below. So I also have the hymns, offering song, and closing song. I also already made the set list for like lineup for Sunday or Saturday, Wednesday, like this. So all my chords has the arrangement, the original key of the song, and if you need to change it. Majority of the songs in my database are Christian songs, but it contains some secular songs. You can also make a song request if you want. So this is what my database contains. So if you have any more inquiries, just send a direct message on my FB page. So for a quick recap of how we can import the database on our Guitar Songs application. First, you need to go to the file manager. Then you will locate where you stored your GSDB or your Guitar Songs database. So at default, you will find it on your download folder because you will install it from the G Drive link that I will send if you purchase it from our page. Then in my device, I stored it on a folder named GSDB, so I can find it here. Now that I know my file location, I will go to the Guitar Songs application again, then go to settings, then press system. It is where you will have the choice to export or import a database. So press restore, then press file system. So here, it is already on the file location or file folder I have made, but I will show you how you can find manually your file path. Like I've said, it will be on your download folder because you installed it from G Drive link. So here, I stored it on GSDB, so it is stored here. And now I can just press it. Then the application will take time to restore or import your database. Then, as you can see, again, I restored it successfully. So here are the rates on our Facebook page. You can visit it on the link below. So that's all. Thank you for taking your time to watch our video tutorial of how to use the database or import it on the Guitar Songs application. God bless us all.